What I wish I knew about love languages instead of guessing what makes my partner tick. Let's dive into the world of heartfelt connection. Ever wonder why some gestures make your partner's day, while others just don't click? It's all about speaking their love language. First up, words of affirmation. If your partner's language is words, a simple, heartfelt compliment can light up their entire day. Try saying, "You inspire me every day." It's about making them feel appreciated and valued. Next, acts of service. Sometimes love is doing rather than saying. Help out around without being asked. Imagine the smile when you say, "Let me take care of dinner tonight." It's about easing their burden because you care. For some, receiving gifts speaks volumes. It doesn't have to be grand. Just a small, thoughtful gesture like, "I saw this and thought of you," can mean the world. Quality time. Now that's a big one. Dedicating your undivided attention shows you value the moments you spend together. Propose a no-phone dinner date and watch your connection deepen. Lastly, physical touch. A simple hug, a gentle touch on the arm, or holding hands can convey more love than words ever could. Remember, a warm hug goes a long way. Decode these languages, connect on a deeper level, and watch your relationship flourish. Dive into understanding and let love lead the way.